Hey y'all, welcome back to Jemonica K. As you can see, the channel has changed back to Jemonica K. So, what's our first video? That's right, Target. So I just need to go ahead and pick up some bubble bath, some Dr. Teal's bubble bath for my spoiled husband because that's the only bubble bath he wants me to get him now is the Dr. Teal's. So I decided while I'm going into Target to get that, I might as well take y'all with me so we can see some of the fall decor. Who else is ready for fall? Okay, I'm ready. I'm already ready to start playing Christmas music, y'all. So I'm so excited about this Target trip. I'm so excited about Jemonica K being back. Drop me some hearts if you are excited about Jemonica K being back. If you're excited about the content that I am about to put out on this channel. I have so many fun ideas that I am ready to share with you all. So yeah, don't get me all emotional, y'all. I'm so happy to be back. But anyway, let's go into Target and see what they got.
I've been hanging on, counting days, thinking it was me all along. Had a million conversations in my head about where it went wrong. And I've got no idea where you've been, who you are, not anymore. All I got is this Polaroid picture of us from June 24th. It's where I kissed you for the first time, laid on your sheets. You gave me your heart and said you trusted with me, but all I did was let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink, just swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. Maybe I should have known. I've been out till late, shifting beds, trying to kill the image of you. Got a million stupid reasons not to call. It's just that I want to. Do you remember how we pulled the drapes in the basement to get away from the world that we couldn't fit in? And how we used to walk those empty streets at night in the city lights is where I saw you for the last time. Said our goodbyes, sat in the car, you saw the pain in my eyes, but I just couldn't let you down time and time again. It wasn't my intention, maybe we should have been friends. So, you're someone I used to know, but nobody said it'd be easy. But maybe I should have known. One more drink to swallow it down. I gotta get you out of my mind. But nobody said it was easy. But maybe I should have known. Guitar.
y'all, so I made it back home from Target. I did not get a lot. I just went in and picked up the items that I needed and just kind of browsed around to see what they had out for fall. But I will show you all some of the items that I picked up. My little fur baby down here, Milo, is trying to get to these to this turkey bacon, y'all, because he love this stuff. But I picked up 2 packs of turkey bacon for Milo. And if you have a little fur baby, try these, y'all. They're in the pet section where the pet food is, and it's in a refrigerated section. I showed it to y'all in the video. Now, Milo, you already had yours for today. And then I have, y'all, if y'all know me, if y'all know me and follow me over on the main channel, Meet Jemonica. If you are not subscribed to that channel, make sure you go and subscribe to that channel, hit the notification button, and show us some love over on that channel as well. But if you follow me on that channel, you already know my obsession for Mrs. Myers. So I picked up some of the apple cider. This is the dish soap. I love this stuff. And so once they start bringing out more of these, I will pick up some more of these, but they only had like a limited supply on these. And I also picked up the apple cider surface cleaner. I picked up 2 of those. This stuff smells so good. So if y'all like Mrs. Myers, or you just like you know, cleaning the cleaner that smells good, use this. Stop, Milo. Y'all, my fur baby over here. Put it down. Hold on, y'all. I'm back, y'all. This little fur baby of mine. But what I was saying, so I know a lot of people like to clean with like Clorox and all of that. And I clean with Clorox as well as Lysol and all of that. But then I go back with my Mrs. Myers, some type of Mrs. Myers cleaner, just to give it that nice scent. So I have 2 of those. And then what I went into Target for in the first place was the Dr. Teal's foaming bath. So I picked up 3 of those. So that's 1. And then I picked up the sleep bath. It's 2. And I also picked up, did I get him 2 of the, okay, I think I just got 2 of the same one or whatever. But what I didn't know was they had a, if you buy 3 Dr. Teal's products, you get a $5 gift card. I didn't know that because they didn't have a sign up. But once I got to the register, she told me that I would receive a $5 gift card. And then I had like $7 or $8 on my Target app. So listen, download that Target app, and then, you know, you'll get money back and you can use that for something else. But so I was able to get the $8 off, the $5 gift card. So it was a good trip. But like I said, I know I didn't get much, and we will have like another vlog. I'm kind of rushing right now because the kids have a track meet. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you all what I picked up so I wouldn't forget. And I will see you guys in the next video. I think we're going to be cooking something or baking something in the next video. So I appreciate you all, especially all of you that has stuck in with this channel, because I know I have not been consistent on this channel, but that's all about to change. We're about to have so much fun on this channel. So if you are not a part of Jemonica K, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.